Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to screen mirror your Android phone on over to your Fire TV stick. And this is very easy. So what you want to do is set this up in screen mirror mode by holding down the home button. Just hold this down and go on over to screen mirroring right here. And once you have it set up and it's in this mode, you just need to find the screen mirroring option on your Android phone. So depending on your Android phone, it could be a little bit of time to do this. So I'm going to exit here and I'm going to set this up. So you want to connect to the same Wi-Fi network as your Fire TV stick. So let's swipe here and go to Wi-Fi. So here's Wi-Fi right here, this little symbol Wi-Fi, just hold down on it. And then connect to your Wi-Fi network that your TV is connected to. If you don't do it, it won't be able to discover your TV. So I'm connected to Scump, that works good. Now swipe down from the top, and you should have an option for screencast, screen mirror, smart view, something on here that will allow you to share your screen. If it's not on the first page, go to like the second page. Now on my Xiaomi phone, I have to go to settings to do this. Then go down to more connectivity options. But I have something called wireless display on here. Connect a wireless display. I can just turn it on. And then here's my TV right here. Lord's Fire TV, I can just tap it and it'll connect. So I don't have a widget for some reason. I think I have to put a widget on there. And then you can see I have my phone in the background. I can exit this out. It'll follow me wherever I go, pretty much. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.